Today I am going to make a dessert called rose milk. First you have to list the ingredients that are milk, grated vanilla, condensed milk, 3 or 4 eggs and grated coconut. Although coconut is not necessary, then in a glass add the amount you want of milk and the same amount of milk. Then pour it into a blender, then melt the vanilla. Then we blend the milk, and while it is blending, the eggs and grated coconut are added. Then the melted vanilla is put in a mold that resists the heat. And also add the liquid and boil water to put the mold with the milk. Then the mold with milk is put into the boiling water, and you have to cover the mold with a lid and wait 40 minutes or more. Thanks for watching.